Hi, my name is Mark. I'm the Kirtland Collision Center manager. I started at D&S February of '08. I've been with them for 16 years now. Started as a detailer and basically did just about everything at the main location. Jumped over about 7 years ago into estimating, and about 5 years ago I took over as a manager at our main location. From there, just kind of built it up, changed some processes, and worked hard for a while. And then about 4 months ago, I got asked to come here and start this body shop, and I took the opportunity to start something from the ground level, and it's been a great decision. Formerly Danny's Custom Touch, 7920 Euclid Chardon Road. When I got here, it was just about kind of implementing D&S's processes, working efficiently, not wasting time, and getting the customers back their vehicle in a timely manner. Just doing things that I've learned along the way. I've been doing this a while, so there's a lot of little things, a lot of tricks to the trade. Just getting everybody up to speed with the way that D&S handles things. When Danny left March 1st, when he retired, everybody else stayed. The crew stayed here, so formerly Danny's Custom Touch, all the technicians are still here, the estimator's still here. We are locally family owned, same as Danny's. We do a lot with the community and have started doing a lot in the community of Kirtland. We did just have a sponsorship at the Strawberry Festival. We had a big banner up there. Donated to the fire department. They're having a softball game. Just getting more involved with the community in Kirtland. Actually been a pleasure coming out here. I can't even tell you how many people have stopped in just to welcome me to the community. So that's been just great. Just random people coming in every couple days, just congratulating me and wishing me well. So the Kirtland community has been wonderful. We do have our car show coming up at the end of July. We would like to invite everybody out. We raise money for Rainbow's Babies and Children. Everything goes towards that, and then we actually do match that, whatever we make, and give it over to Rainbows, so the more the merrier. If you stop in and see us at any point, we give free estimates, no appointments needed. We're gonna take care of you. We're gonna do everything we can to keep your work as minimal as possible. We like to make sure that you just bring us your car and you can just pick your car up, completed, and fixed properly. We like to always make sure it's safety first. The ADAS systems in these cars are crazy. So all the scanning, pre and post, and calibrations, we all do that in-house. So it's kind of a one-stop shop. Between the 5 stores now, we all kind of work together with the calibrations out of our main location. We all have the scanning devices to make sure that everything is working properly before and after your collision. Try to keep it as seamless as possible for the customer. With all the updates that we're gonna give you along the way, we're gonna get the car disassembled, find the ETAs on the parts, and then we're gonna let you know how long we're gonna need your car, and we try to hit that every time and stand by our work. So as long as you own it, that warranty stands. We do stand behind our work, and we're proud of what we do. At this shop, we are select service for State Farm, working to get on other insurance companies' programs, which makes it a lot easier for the consumer and the customer. Our other shops are multiple DRP programs, so they're on a bunch of different insurance companies as well. Even though we're not on all the insurance companies' programs, it is up to you as the customer to choose whatever body shop you so decide to.